Hi, just so you guys know, just in the beginning, that this is not a tutorial per se, but just kind of a share on how I made this drawing. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would show a process share how I made this Zentangle piece of art. It was so much fun. Let's see here where to start. Well, obviously the frame, which I think is really cool and adds like a cool effect to the drawing. I bought a frame board, an alphabet frame board. And what it does, it makes all these different size frames. I'm talking like just like, look, from this size to this size. It just makes it, it's super easy. I've got a bunch of We Are Memory Keepers different punches, and this by far is the easiest one. So I started out by making a frame with some scrapbook paper, and then what I did is, well, first, this is a jelly print right here, this drawing, and I will put everything that I used. Well, my link is, my Amazon link is below, and he'll have everything listed in there, so you can check that out if you're interested. The alphabet punch board is a little bit hard to find in stores, so if you go ahead and check it out on Amazon, you help support my channel. So anyways, let's see, what else? Oh, this cute little guy here is from Tim Holtz. Just look at this, all these little paper dolls. What is it called? Yeah, they're called paper dolls, and it's by Tim Holtz. Sorry, it's not showing. And it comes with like a gazillion of these things, all different sizes. They're already cut out. And look, they would look really cool in artwork, I thought. So that's what I did. I put them on there. And right here's a die cut from Tim Holtz too. I will link that below if I can find it. Let me see if it's in my... let's see. It's somewhere in my stuff. I'll have to look. I'll have to add it. So... what else? I highlighted with a gel white, I'm going to use this as a pointer, with a white gel pen around him. And I added like just a moon, because since I did the Zentangle right here with, this is white graphite and then regular graphite, white charcoal, I'm sorry, white graphite. And so the moon is, I use watercolor pencils, and I used my water brush and just blended it in with some white charcoal here. And I think that's about it. It was a lot of fun. See how the orange from the jelly print, which this is a good way to use up your jelly prints in artwork. And if you use a uniball pen on a jelly print, it just glides beautifully. So what else? I also recommend maybe taking graphite right in here. I don't think I did it in this one, and I thought it would add more dimension if you could shade around the frame. But doesn't it look cool, like it's been framed and it's just a piece of paper? And the Zentangle too is very three-dimensional. I can't remember the name of this one. I think it's Trebon. I don't know. Wait, let me look. I think I have it, and I can show you guys in my pattern book, which I have a video on this on my channel, how I made this book. If you haven't checked that out yet, you guys can kind of take a look at my book while I find that pattern. It's in here somewhere. Here it is. Can you see it right there? I was right. Tribine. Tribine. That's the name of the tangle I used for like the little area he's sitting on. It's kind of abstract, you know what I mean? So I think that's about it. I hope I gave you guys lots of good information, and please check my link below. It really helps support my channel so I can continue to make videos like this. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and make sure you check out some of my other videos on the channel. There's a lot of different videos on Zentangle. Thanks again. Bye.